Hi, welcome to the Art Show Adventure Game. To enter, you need to admit your fear. Whatever you're afraid of, don't shed a tear, write or draw it on the wall of fear. If only we weren't so small, we could scare away our fears. But how can we get bigger? Grow more, eat more, do weights, stand on each other's shoulders, create an illusion. Yes, you're right. Let's create an illusion. How can something small appear bigger? Shadows. Ah, yes, well done, my small ones. Maybe we can't actually get bigger, but you can appear bigger. You'll need to travel to the land of shadows, where you'll be able to conquer your fears. But first, you'll need to collect some things. You'll need a map, compass, and tools to help you on your journey. To build your courage for your adventure, you'll need to work together to solve some puzzles and riddles, outsmart a pirate king, and cross a river before arriving in the land of shadows, where you'll create a shadow show to scare away your fears. This is our character village. We've got grid maps by our juniors. Every kid in the school has done a wooden character for our character village. These are our Matildas, who are playable characters, who each group will take through the adventure game. Here is our Rainbow Road, and with our toads and toadettes inspired by Mario Kart. This is our kinder display from our kinder next door to the school. And we arrive at level 2. Level 2, which direction you go is up to you, but for the land of shadows, solve the clue. This direction is where the sun goes to bed. Or finish this song lyric in your head. Sons of the West. If you choose east, you come down here and you hit our dead end. Here's one of our silent auction framed artworks where people can scan and bid on. And if we head west, this actually is west. You come through more of the forest. Again, some beautifully framed prep grade 1 and grade 2 artworks up for auction. And then we reach our compasses. These are by our grade 3s and 4s. And then we hit our tools and supply wall. So these are all the little toolkits that the grade 3 to 6s have created for their adventure. So they've got little maps and books and supplies and food for their journey along the way. Level 3, you'll need a key for the level you seek, but it's not in the form that you may think. A key can be hidden in a different mode. Sometimes a key is a simple passcode. Things can be as simple as ABC. Can you find the number code? 1, 2, 3. Level 4, tell the code to the NPC to enter the lair and find the Pirate King, played by Artie there. This is our pirate's lair. We've got grade 2 treasure maps. We've got prep grade 1 and grade 2 treasure chests with handmade jewellery. We've got some parrots, and here is Artie Bear, who is playing our Pirate King. He normally lives in our art room. Level 5, pretend to steal the treasure for the pirate's displeasure. He'll make you walk the plank, and then in the next level, you'll have the plank to thank. We've got some beautiful framed artworks by our grade 3/4s, some feathers. And our wonderful bundle that was created with an incursion from Wanyara, who came and did some workshops with us. And this piece down here is by the Western English Language School. Level 6, if you haven't yet worked out how to cross the river, look at Bunjil flying high above a ridge and lay down your plank to make a bridge. Welcome to the land of shadows. Level 7, work together to make a shadow show to scare away your fears. On the projector, and our little figures that we had earlier have now grown big to help us scare away our fears. And we have got some shadow puppets to create a shadow show to help scare away our fears or comfort us. Then we've also got some torches. So we will be able to create our own shadows on the sheet. And over here we have a shadow tree. Again, we can use torches to light up the wall. And some beautiful stained glass work by our preps and grade 1s, which are on our lighting boxes. Now level 8, but wait, there's one puzzle more. You'll have to choose the correct door. Choosing the door that is safe is your ultimate aim. Choose correctly, walk through it, and exit the game. Door 1. Behind door 1 is deadly fire. Behind door 2, poisonous snakes. And door 3 is a grizzly bear who hasn't eaten in years. If you choose correctly, you may exit the game.